Hello everyone, welcome to the DIY session 2 of the STEMpedia workshop. As per the activity given, we need to include the multiplication table, sum of the list and various other activities in our DIY program, for which I have again made a menu driven program where, as per the input entered by the user, the particular or the specific function will be called. Here, for executing the multiplication table, if the choice 1 is entered by the user, it will ask for the number whose table need to be entered. A loop will execute from 1 to 10, and again here the table will be printed. Number will be printed here from this command. I, that means the value from 1 to 10, and multiplication of the number with the counters. If option 2 is entered, the sum of all the elements will be calculated. The elements will entered by the user will be separated by the spaces because the split function detects the spaces and then converts it into a list. This will add up all the elements of the list one by one, and it will display the total. Next, for checking whether the list contains a specific number or not, the user has to again input the elements. Then the user has to input the number which he is looking into the items. And if the number is found, it will display the item is found. Otherwise, it will display the item is not found. For the fourth option, it is a tuple sorting. A tuple is by default given, and the tuple is sorted, and it will be stored in the ASC variable in ascending order, because by default, if we use the sorted function, the default method is ascending only. And when we use reverse is equals to true, that means the order will be descending. And once the tuple is arranged in the descending order, it will be stored in the DSC variable. This is the main menu-driven program where the various options are displayed on the screen. When we execute the program, here we have to enter the choice from 1 to 5 as per this menu displayed. Suppose I entered 1, it will ask me to print the enter the number for which I want to display the table. Suppose I entered 5 and press enter. So it will show me the table of 5, as you can see in the output. And again, it will display me the menu because we are using the while true, and the loop will continue unless we press exit, that is, unless we press 5. I'll show you for another option, that is, suppose for finding an element. So I have to take option 3 over here. So I'm taking option 3. Now I have to enter the elements. Suppose I entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and press enter. Now I want to search for 3. I type the item that I want to search for, and it will display the item found because the item is already existing. And similarly, we can execute all the other programs. And when we press 5, it will exit the complete program. So that's all for this execution. Thanks to all of you. Bye-bye.